On an average, it takes 2 minutes for a raindrop to hit the earth. I enjoy the rain because of its simplicity, because of its purity. The rain is there to restore and to refresh, to cleanse. So the rain never good in excess, but gone for too long creates a drought. The sound of rain has a certain rhythm, like its own heartbeat. The rain is alive and the rain brings supreme sense of peace. We often associate rain to gloominess and to darkness. We would understand that when it rains, it darkens our world to brighten the future. The rain cannot be controlled or tampered, and it disregards time and do as it pleases. For me personally, to find solace in rain is like finding calm in the chaos.